I regard myself fortunate to be a friend of Noli. When I joined PMAP in the mid-70s, I eventually got to know Noli and began learning the ropes of people management from him and other elder colleagues, whose fellowship was truly invaluable. Let me recall each of their names fondly. Roll call. Yung wala sa roll call, huwag na kayo magtampo. Orly Peña, Ben Burgos, and Bert Kimpo. He asked me to witness the seeding of mangroves project of the Department of Agriculture. Instead of returning to Tacloban for my flight back to Manila, I ended up taking an inter-island vessel from Ormoc to Cebu. Mount Pinatubo had a violent eruption that affected Metro Manila and neighboring provinces from central to southern Luzon. When I joined the column of ECO, the Employers Confederation of the Philippines, in the newspaper for which I am working, the Manila Bulletin, he was one of the mainstay columnists. It was pure pleasure reading Noli's column, which is spiced with light-hearted anecdotes that evoke his followers' sense of humor. Indeed, that must be Noli's most outstanding virtue. He made other people happy. Every interaction with him was invariably spiced with a memorable anecdote. Indeed, he was truly a skilled weaver of stories, Pastor Payos. Like a pastor, he was a gifted storyteller. He was also an impresario. In essence, an impresario is the driving force behind an undertaking, the Italian root of the word, and making it a reality. So there, Impresario Ranulfo Pastor Payos, Paring Noli, I now bid you a joyful farewell. As we are urged by Richard Bach, a farewell is necessary before you can meet again. And meeting again, after moments or lifetimes, is certain for those who are friends. Farewell, Noli. May flights of angels accompany you to the heavenly realm.